Hi guys, welcome to TC Barak again. Today we have the unboxing of the latest at least, fashion box expansion called Uprising. Right, this time is no unlimited, the first edition, it's just one box. And let's see how it goes. It's been a while that we have actually cracked a fashion blood card in YouTube, so let's see what kind of stuff we can get today. Right, yeah, let's check it out. So far is I don't buy a case anymore because it's not guaranteed to get like a legendary gold foil, so I decided why spend a case then, right? So let's see. Yeah, still have the same old new packaging. So let me see. Okay, nothing special. Commons. Okay. We have the first equipment. We have Thermogrify. Ev or first Majestic invoke Tometal, and the second rare is Eisenhower with a wave. Okay, so let's put like this. This is the foil one, right? No? Interesting. How does this? Okay, this is the foil one. Okay. And the rest is okay. Tokens and commons. Alright. Let's see if we can speed these things up a little bit. Equipment, rare, Sif combo winter, and our foil is a common foil. Brand with Cinder Claw, and then nothing special. There are more common still. Okay. Equipment, common equipment. Flex for our rare. Mounting anger for our rare, and this is of healing balm for our fire, and then about everything. So yeah, 2 token now. Interesting. Okay. Cutting slipper for equipment. Ink of Flame Wave. In our second Majestic is Erase Face. And a foil is a common foil, nothing special. And nothing special so far. Right? Yeah, nothing special. Come on, where's my Conduit of Frostburn? Oh look, the amazing art. Really like it. Right, and then again, duplicate, Traumatify. Okay, Hypermonia from Majestic, and common foil. Nothing special. And then what do we get? Do we get anything special again? Nothing. Oh nice, we got 2 token 5 and the other 5. Okay. Let me see now. Now equipment is Science Studio, elusive, as in how readable, and oh, majestic 5 in case. Nice. And then let me see. Okay, nothing special. Usually from what I saw, like the last card before the token can be a majestic or full art. So far nothing special on it. Sash of Stadikai. Really love the drawing. Look really beautiful. Rare, and foil rare. Stromogify, I think I got 3 of it now. Okay, and then anything special? Nothing. And no token. Okay, so far nothing exciting, huh? Come on. Quilling robe. Ah, okay, cool. Take the tempo or 3rd, right? Now 4th majestic. Ghost snap for a common 4 and come on. Oh, what is it? Oh, awesome. We got a majestic, right? Nice. Oh, nice. Check it out, man. And you walk Western Rekka. And look at how pretty is this. Look at this, right? Pretty. Okay. Awesome. So not bad. We got something. Okay, so this box was give us something. I have no idea what's the price. The equipment is nothing. And it will chromite and a common 5. So we got nothing special. Right. Okay, like I said, now the you can get a still good pull at the end of the pack, so let's see. So equipment is the sash again. Love the art, like I said. And common 5. And crack. Bubble here and nothing. Okay, nothing special. Slipper for the equipment and common 5. And let's see if we can get anything. And nothing. Slipper, dampen, rise from the ash, dust up, right? For common 5, and then come on. Okay, still nothing. And equipment is okay. Colored off first burn. Oh, cool. That's all you got? Yeah, man. From sister, that's all you got. Give me something like a leisurely cold for it if you can. Hey. Oh, the shield protection look amazing. And nothing. Okay, so far only one card is good, I guess. Let me see, come on. Okay, Hit Wave. This year of Permafrost, Invoke Necra, and Burn away. Burn away. Yeah, I'm so used to it. It's a habit not to turn around and see if there's anything in the back. Burn away. That's all you got? Okay. Spellfire clock. Including flame wave, invoke again, and Arctic incursions, nothing special, and oh, no! I guess we're not gonna get a Ko-Fi again, but hey, Ko-Fi equipment right here. Tie flipper. Well, I guess it's better than no Ko-Fi because, if I understand, there's no guarantee to get like a Ko-Fi nowadays. So, hey, not bad, but it's better than some of the box that I saw. Okay. And burn them all, man. Burn them all for Majestic. Rare foil and nothing special again. I think we got all the best pool already, right? That's how I feel. Heat wave. Seal, mountain anger. Sweeping bow, and then nothing special. Oh, come on, we're almost running out of packs already. But I think we got all the best card already too. Okay, so the sleeve. Mounting anger. Evoking Miragai. Common 5. And come on. Oh wow, we didn't get token this time. Okay. Okay. Quilling robe. I think we got all the queen card over them. Okay, cool. Channels the lake expands for. Oh, is it? Wait, this is hard. So we got a Majestic right here, and this one is. Oh, it's just a rainbow fire. That's a Ko-Fi too. Yep, it's just a rainbow fire. Hey, not bad at least. And we got. Okay. Nothing special. So you can farm. Okay. Rapid refract, common 5, and they're giving us a lot of tokens this time, eh? Okay, let's see. Okay, equipment. Oh! Like, no way. But it's not Ko-Fi, right? Oh, come on. Is it? Oh, it's just rainbow foil. Oh, man. Blood of the Dragai. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Blood of the Dragai and... Yeah, not bad at all. Well, this box became quite nice at the end, right? I wish it was Ko-Fi. It would have been superb if I got a Fabled Ko-Fi right there, right? But cannot expect to get all the jackpot, right? Anyway, okay. Come on, 5 and come on. Oh man. I think this is it for the box, right? I have 2 more packs, and we did pull a lot of Try Guys. Not Core 5, but still better than nothing. Second Form. Okay. Red Heart, Rapid Reflex. Critical Strike for a common 5. And come on. Nothing special. I don't think we can even pull that off again, like the box that we opened with Everfest. Okay, so this is it, right? Tie wave. We'll move this a little bit. For equipment, we got 2 rare. We got a rare foil at the end. And come on. This is the next one. Okay, that. Right, that, yeah. So, okay, let's recap a little bit what we got. We got a lot of junk foil. I would say that, right? I think our biggest hits, if not including the Majestic, but let's recap the Majestic first. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Majestic right here. And actually, it's not a bad box at all, right? We got 2 Core 5 right here. Okay, so let's say it's a Core 5, a Marvel, and a Fable. But not a wonderful Fable that we want. But yeah, but it was pretty good. I think this box was pretty good. And thanks for watching, guys. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel. And I will see you guys next time, either on Magic or Fashion Board. Alright, bye.